Hey guys, day 2 at the hotel show. The best way to come here would be actually a metro or a cab. It's very hard to look for the parking here. The other side of the parking has been closed. It's like only the paid parking except the other side. One side is only open. So we took a cab today instead of driving. I think it's much easier and comfortable. Hey guys, welcome back. One thing Hotel Show has done good this time is they got rid of the plastic which covers the badge. As you see, a lot of visitors, thousands of visitors and exhibitors come to Hotel Show every year, and this is a huge plastic waste every year. So very, very well done, Hotel Show. Apart from the Hotel Show, they are also hosting FM Expo here on the other side, and FN facilities management companies are here showcasing their products. So if you are here, you can also look at the facilities management. There is leisure show happening on the other side. We will be going that side again today to have a look, and we'll show you around. It's 10 a.m. So people have just started coming in. We came a little early actually because it's the second day. Second days are normally very busy for any event. One tip for the ladies out there: if you are coming to any exhibition or walking around, make sure you're wearing comfortable shoes. You know, people wear sandals and heels for fashion, but you know it'll really kill a lot in the evening. So better put on comfortable shoes.